Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I will show you how to remove background from any picture. So let's start begin. First of all, open your browser and go to background remove website. It's free. This one is first website www.remove.bg. You can click from this side. Now you can need to upload the image, so click on upload. Where is your folder and picture, you can click on here. Now I have in download folder, so this one I will be remove. You can check also review this picture. I will remove background, so double click on. Now the picture is uploading. Please some wait. So you can see the background is all is removed. You can download this picture on from here. Now you can see download. Where is my picture? This one, and which is another one is this one. You can see. You can see in the picture is same. Quality is, everything is same. You can see. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new notification updates. Thanks for watching.